Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely delete Wondershare Filmora Media Library on your Mac. Wondershare Filmora stores project assets, imported clips, thumbnails, and cast media inside its media library to make editing faster and more convenient. Over time, this library can become cluttered with old files, unused project media, or temporary data that takes up valuable storage space on your Mac. If you no longer need certain assets or want to start fresh with a cleaner workspace, deleting the Filmora Media Library can help you improve organization and free up important disk space. So whether you are troubleshooting app issues or simply removing outdated content, the process is pretty straightforward when done correctly. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. And then you have to choose the General option. After that, you have to choose the Storage option to proceed. Then you have to scroll down a bit and hit the Info button located right next to the Documents option. Then you have to hit the File Browser tab. After that, you have to choose the Movies option in the left sidebar. Then you have to select Wondershare Filmora. After that, you have to hit the Move to Trash button and confirm it when prompted. And finally, you have to hit the Done button, and that's about it. Deleting the Filmora Media Library on a macOS device is a smart way to clear unnecessary files, reclaim important storage space, and keep your editing workspace perfectly organized. Removing old media and cached items can also help resolve minor performance issues or refresh the app for future projects. Having said that, I will recommend you to review any important assets before deleting them so that you don't remove files you still need. With a quick cleanup, Filmora can feel faster, cleaner, and easier to manage for your next editing session. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives in order to keep the clutter at a fair distance. And I'll catch you up in the next one.